it's the most exciting attraction of UAE. So let's go! Welcome to our channel. My name is Swadip and please subscribe to know more interesting places in UAE. We have started from Abu Dhabi city. Navigation is showing 1 hour and 10 minutes from there. Before you plan Expo trip 2020, you should be COVID vaccinated or Al Hassan Green Pass for Expo. Here we have taken the break at Adnok petrol pump and I am buying few snacks. It's good to carry your own snacks or homemade food at Expo due to long queues and food stalls are little away and little costlier also. We are going to Expo. Are you excited? How many pavilions will you visit? How many?
3.
Ooh.
3 countries.
3 countries. Here are some highlights of Expo 2020 191 country pavilions, 3 districts and lots of shows, fun with robots, a lifetime experience.
Hi.
What is your name?
You are finally here to take a photo with me.
Bye bye.
We are currently at Abu Dhabi and Dubai border. From here, Dubai Expo City is just 10 minutes away. If you wish to travel by public transport, there are Expo Rider buses frequently available from Abu Dhabi. This is Expo Rider bus ahead of us from Abu Dhabi. It's a huge parking. Don't forget to note down your parking number. Let's catch the shuttle bus which will take us to the Expo gate from the parking. Here we are at the queue to enter Expo. They are checking our ticket and our Al Hassan Expo pass. We booked our ticket online.
Start.
Here we are exploring the map. We have some certain plan recommended by our friend. We are just finding out which country pavilion we should go first. There are big queues in front of every pavilion. It's better to to your prior booking in Expo app. But thankfully we got priority in the queue as we have small baby with us. Here the lady is explaining about Egypt stall before we enter.
We have 5 shows on the ground floor. It's a guided tour, 12 minutes in total. We have to finish the tour on the ground floor in order to proceed upstairs where there are civic exhibitionists together as one group. And we also
sit forward still there for a show and begin on the big screen.
Please stand in front of the big screen. Please proceed inside this way.
Vision to develop a trade system, an idea that has taken us to great lengths. In fact, it took us 493 kilometers, the length of the Suez Canal. The waterway's monumental opening.
In Tutankhamun galleries, the entire collection of King Tut will be put on display for the first time since their discovery in 1922.
We look forward to welcoming you to Egypt.
बघ इकडे.
Hi. So, if you wouldn't mind gathering here with me for a second, and we're just going to wait for a few more people to join us. Cool. So, hi guys.
Saudi Arabia is one of the best pavilions. We like it a lot. After visiting some country pavilions, we are tired and hungry, and there is a visitor center there which you can sit and relax there. And we were hungry, so we were finding a restaurant to eat. But most of the restaurants were Arabic and other country cuisines. So finally we found Domino's, and a pizza took for 45 minutes. That's why you should take your own food at Expo. There's a talaba stall also. From there you can order your food from your favorite place. And after 30 minutes a robot
Hello,
will
I'm Talaba.
bring
On
your
my way to
food.
deliver a delicious meal.
We didn't speak with you.
Here comes the Al Wasal Dome, the most happening place in Expo. Many artists performed here. Here comes the most exciting feature, water feature you must have seen on social media at least once after starting of the Expo since October.